guys, it's me Rainbow_18 and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a back to school supply haul slash unboxing slash organizing senior year edition. And some of the things I have used before in this haul, and they're used items from previous years. So it's not all new, but I just wanted to reuse some of the items. So let's get started. So starting off with the Papermate Ink Joy pens. These are such an OG to my channel. I have been using these since freshman year, my absolute favorite, and I got the 18 pack. Next up, I have this big mechanic pencil. These are also an OG. I've used these sparkle pencils before. I love these. I got a big pack this year just because I wanted more, because I always run out or people are begging for them. Next up, we have whiteout correction liquid, and love this too. And I also got color pencil. Okay, here's the thing about coloring pencils. No matter how old you get, you always need these. Okay, I'm a senior, but I need them. Next up, we have index cards. I always don't use index cards because people tend to use them for flashcards. I keep them on my desk. I don't even take them to school. And glue. So this is something that I needed last year, and I took one off my desk. So this year I got myself one. Not one, two, just in case. And next up is a pack of eraser. Now I am going to use the eraser on the pencils, but I wanted to keep an extra one just in case, because I know by the end of the year the eraser's gonna run out. So I'm prepared. I'm mentally prepared this year. And Post-it note. This is also going on my desk, but I just want to get a pack just for mental notes or something I need to put on the wall in front of me to keep me on track. And I love this planner. Oh my gosh, this is the cutest thing ever. I got this from TJ Maxx. It is so cute. Love the color, love the size too. I always go back and forth with giant ones and small planners. I had a really giant one freshman year, and then I had a small one sophomore, and then I had it was giant, medium sized planner last year, and I have a small one again. I like going back and forth. I love this planner. It's very cute, very just minimalistic, I guess. And then this pencil pouch from sophomore year. Love that. It's been here for a while. Staying. And College Ruled 5-star spiral notebook. Now for this, I was looking for a one subject, but I couldn't find one. So I just got the 3 subject one. And the one subject one was $3, and the 3 subject one was $4. So I don't know what's the difference. I just needed the black notebook. There was one subject notebooks, but they were a different color. And then I also got these sheet protectors too. These are like a must for people who like to keep their papers. Like things like tests and everything like that. You need these. I find them very handy. They're very good for organizing tests, homework, quizzes, important deadlines, and this and that. So they're really nice. This is one of the binders, and here's the other one.